So here we are at the Forest River 2021 Platinum Wildwood FSX 167 RBKX. On the passenger side here, they got a nice storage that is a pass-through. Also has the plug for the 10 amp solar charger for a portable solar system. In the back storage there, you've got a nice outdoor refrigerator. On the very back, you've got the outside shower, the black tank flush, and it is pre-wired for a backup camera. On the driver's side, you got the cable satellite hookup. Of course, the rest of the components: hot water heater, the furnace exhaust, city water connection, and the fresh water tank. The other side of the pass-through storage on the front. And the only flaws I see on this side is a little separation of the molding down below, as well as right here in the front. It has one battery on it, has a spot for a second, spot for one propane bottle. Now let's take a look on the inside. First thing you notice when you open the door is it does have a Murphy bed in this model. Nice thing about Murphy beds is it gives you extra room when you're not utilizing the bed. Pull this out of the way, put the Murphy bed down. But as you can see, when the bed is up, you get a lot more floor space in this model. Closets on both sides for hanging clothes. On the top of this one, you got a little bit of the paper peeling off from the wood. 2-burner stove. Nice big sink. Dinette booth on this side. You got the control panel right there. The control for the awning. Storage up above here. That leads us to the fridge. Nice size refrigerator. Big freezer up above. Got the shower area. Power roof vent up above. Medicine cabinet. And down on the bottom of this, there's a little bit of the paper peeling off, kind of bubbled up a little. And another nice big closet in the bathroom area as well. Got a nice size Coleman AC.